Good day, everyone. So, how's your day? Kumusta yung stay? That's good. Anyway, before, first of all, I would like to say welcome to the Madison Grand Hotel. It's an honor to meet you today, and it's a gratitude to meet you as a partners, guest here in Madison Carnaval. Sorry, kasi medyo hindi ako sanay mag-English by the time mag-Tagalog. Anyway, today, I believe na marami kayong natutunan sa mga talks from the morning and to the afternoon. And then, it's so grateful to meet you all again. Some of you here I met already in the past months. Thank you so much. I really appreciate to those pictures and introducing the Madison Crown Hotel. We really appreciate and respect you, all of you here. And we really hope that all of you will be successful as the Abi Biduya and my brother, Jo Marie Iliana. And I'm looking forward to meet you more, to collaboration, to do more business with you guys, to introduce more our property. Let's work out. And I know, together with you guys, all of the tourism will grow here in Pampanga. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Again, palapakan po natin, Mr. John Iliana, Ms. Abiliana, and of course, Ms. Angeline Sheehan.
Di ba kakanta to?
Gusto niyo po ba, ma'am? Gusto po ba nilang kumanta si ma'am?
Baka umulan.
Mamaya, nasa natin.
Third, meron pa tayong night event. Don't forget. We should enjoy the cocktails night. Don't miss out.